Folks, welcome to this video, and in this video we will discuss how you can save or protect your work in Excel. So in this sheet we have the small chunk of dataset and dataset with year, month, state, manager, brand, customer sector and sales value. Now I want to protect my work in Excel properly, so as no one can access as like in update, delete, duplicate or other things they can do with this sheet. I don't want to do that. So that's why I will protect my work, and for that we have the tab, review tab. We have to check with the review tab. On review tab we have the different options to protect sheet and protect workbook. So we can protect and unprotect our sheet using this option, and here we can add our password, and we can check with the options, different options like format cell, format columns, and all these options. If we are check marking, then user or the person who is watching your work is not able to come up or update with these things, or they are not allowed to do these changes on your sheet. So okay, and here is right now I will try to check or enter the value in any column, and I will cross check is my sheet or is my work is get protected or not. So here is we have the 150 value, and I will try to update or change the value. Then it is showcasing me the notification like the cell or chart you are trying to change is on protected sheet, is on a protected sheet, and to make changes click on protect sheet in the review tab. So in similar way, as per the notification we have on sheet, we can go to the unprotect sheet. If you want to unprotect your work, and if you willing to give the access to someone to edit, update or do anything with your work, then you can unprotect your work, or you can share this password with somebody who wants to go for it. So in similar way, I have unprotected my work, and now I am able to edit, I am able to do anything with my dataset. That's it. Thanks for watching.